Hi, I'm Brian Willett from Cashflow Financial, and today I'm just talking to you about the SMSF limitations on buying residential property and using a loan through a self-managed super fund. So what it means is the current system where you have an SMSF trustee, SMSF, you create the bear trust, create the bear trustee company, need all four entities, and those four entities then work as they have done for quite a few years now. So what we have to do is go back to the years prior to borrowing being allowed. And what we did, we had a unit trust that would buy the property. Then super fund would inject as much as it could to buy its side, and personally you would borrow and negatively gear your side of the property. So works simply, you get the best of both worlds, a bit of negative gearing, but the issue is the bank must secure the loan over a property which is not the property held by the unit trust. So if you don't have equity in your other assets, then this is not going to work for you. The benefits of this structure, you get the negative gearing on your side of it. It's something you can still use for residential properties. The overall cost to establish it's cheaper. You don't need the bear trust. You don't need the bear trustee company. The SMSF grows pretty quickly because it doesn't have the debt, and once it's finished there's no need to transfer title. So the downsides are it needs to be secured against another property, therefore you're negatively gearing, limits your other borrowings that you can do, and the super fund can never 100% take over the property. So the original structure and the original percentages have to stay the same. So if you don't have equity in your other properties, then perhaps you can do a unit trust partnership where you actually set up a self-managed super fund. You can have up to 6 members in a self-managed fund, so you may ask your brothers, sisters, friends, etc. to join you within your fund because everyone has their own account anyway. Or you can create your self-managed super fund and have a unit trust and partnership, buy the property, and other people that you know also do the same. Set up a self-managed fund, and together you can afford to buy a property. Over time, you might have some exit strategies where the older person just agrees that they will sell units across to the younger people. But there's plenty of ways that this can happen, and therefore you need some advice with all these things when you start to look at structuring.